Hawaii is grappling with how to deal with a recent Supreme Court ruling which allows people to carry a concealed handgun outside the home. KITV4's Jeremy Lee today spoke to a local gun advocate who has already applied for his permit. Jeremy, what does he expect to happen?
Well, Rick, he expects the process to go a little quicker. The Attorney General in Hawaii has issued a formal opinion on the recent Supreme Court ruling from New York that struck down limitations on who is eligible for a concealed carry permit. Second Amendment advocates were so floored by the decision, they filed for their permits at the Honolulu Police Department the very next day. And ever since, Andrew Namiki Roberts has pledged to return every morning he can to the police department to retrieve what he says the Constitution should grant him. But he feels the powers that be are taking their time. Ultimately, Hawaii's revised statute puts the licensing protocols in the hands of county police departments. And with the governor recently weighing in that permits will not be automatically granted, that has now left some 77 new carry applicants since June 23rd wondering why changes are so slow coming.
We're seeing the police chief this morning saying it's going to be 30 days, then he says it's going to be by the end of August, but yet this morning when we're at the police department, they're telling people that it's going to be 6 months and they're going to have to reapply and refill out paperwork. So we're seeing a lot of different opinions coming out and not a lot of facts. We haven't seen anything in writing, we haven't seen any official rules or policies being made, and to gun owners that's confusing.
Attorney General Hale Shikata issued a formal opinion to the governor that chiefs of police in Hawaii should no longer require that an applicant show reason to fear injury. So obtaining a concealed carry license is not dependent on showing cause. But the Attorney General did say for unconcealed or open carry, applicants should still show cause or urgency for an open carry permit. Ultimately, the case that has challenged Hawaii's gun ownership laws, Young versus Hawaii, will be heard in the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals. Second Amendment advocates say that makes it urgent for the authorities to get the application process constitutionally compliant sooner than later.